children. I'm Teacher Tina. I'm teaching at Shelove Sensitive Kids Daycare. Today we are going how to learning sound. When I'm talking about sound, it's looking like this. Sound ah, sound ah. When you're writing the sound ah, you're supposed to start this sound ah, slowly like a circle, and it's our tail is going there down like this one. Say ah, ah. Sound ba, sound ba, sound ba. How to write sound ba? It's how a tail is going there up. Is it looking like this one? Sound ba like one. And it's how a stomach back is looking like this. Say ba, ba. Sound k, sound k. How to write sound k? Write sound k like this one, slow, up there, down, and it have something like this one. Say k, sound k. Sound da, sound da. How to write sound da? You're supposed to write sound da like this one, like sound ba, but it have a stomach there in front like this one, sound ba. Say da, da. Sound A, sound A. How to write sound A? You're supposed to write sound A like this. Put something like this one. How to write sound A? After writing sound A, so sound A, A. Sound F, sound F. How to write sound F? Supposed to write like this one. It's every time it's going there up. Sound F, like this. Say F. Sound ga, sound ga. How to write sound ga? You're supposed to start like a circle like this one. How to write sound ga? And it's how a tail is going there down like this. Say ga, ga. Sound sound how to write sound supposed to start like this one, up to there, down like this one. Sound say ha. Sound e, sound e. How to write sound e? Supposed to start like this one, sound e. After that, it have something there down.